Did you know that the TikTok algorithm has all changed from this month? So from April 2025, the algorithm is working on a point system. So first of all, before I get into the point system, make sure you watch this video right to the end, because it's all part of building your own platform up. So TikTok algorithm has brought a new point system out. So if you put in TikTok, the algorithm point system, it will take you to the page and explain exactly how the point system works. So for example, for a like, you will get 1 point. For a comment, you'll get 2 points. For a share, you'll get 3 points. And for completely watching a video, you'll get 4 points. But the good thing about it is if you re-watch that video, you get 5 points. And it wants to see you engaging with people all the time. So it isn't just about posting your own video and building them points up. Once you've built all them points up on a video, it looks for 50 points in your first hour. Then it'll give you 200 to 300 views on it. But then it'll push it out even further. As long as you've got 50 points, then it'll go up to 100 points, and so on and so on. It'll keep pushing it out so you get more views. But what TikTok are watching for, the algorithm, is you engaging with other people, liking, sharing, commenting, re-watching, and that's what the algorithm does to build your TikTok posts up and push you out there. So the algorithm knows you're interested in TikTok and you're working the way that it's wishing you to do. So if you are trying to build an account and get better views, getting your post, more chance of going viral as well, and getting more your posts, your views on your post, and getting pushed out there, and a bigger chance of getting viral. Make sure, number 1, you like it, get 1 point. Number 2, you comment on the post, you get 2 points. Number 3, share it for 3 points. And number 4, complete watching the video is a big thing for 4 points. But if you re-watch it, you will get 5 points. So please everyone, re-watch my videos, watch it till the end, like, share, comment, push it out there, and you can do the same on your post. But make sure you look at the other people's posts and do exactly the same on it, and that is what the algorithm is looking for. So from Donny Knight, just a bit of a lesson from the TikTok algorithm point system. Type it into TikTok and it'll tell you all about it. But from Donny Knight, hasta la vista, baby. Did you know that the